Primetime news this evening. Recently repaired road damaged after burst of rain. Authorities say they're not to blame. Help at last. Prime Minister promises damaged Troy Bridge will be replaced. And business leaders and economists have mixed views on increase in minimum wage.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Kalisha. Well, in the financial week this evening, we're looking at Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, SOS. They're talking about their expansion plans. You want to catch that a little later on.
And Jordan is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, if you're good enough, you're old enough, right? Well, not quite as far as the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships is concerned. There's a little quirk in the rules I'll explain in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Prime Minister's contribution to the budget debate?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.